Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and this is my fifth and final installation in my reimagining of my mom's dishes for Thanksgiving. You know, my mom used to love to make pudding. She made bread pudding, which she made the best bread pudding I ever tasted, and she made banana pudding. But she did it throughout the year. She didn't just do it for Thanksgiving. So here I'm going to reimagine one of those puddings, and that is the banana pudding. I'm making a banana cream pie. Hope you enjoy. The banana cream pie I'll be making today is from a recipe I got off the Epicurious website. It's a pie that's made at the restaurant in Memphis, Tennessee called McEwen's, MCEWEN''S. The recipe is called Banana Cream Pie from Bon Appetit, February 2003. There will be a link in the description. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Thanksgiving. If you're watching this on Thanksgiving Day, but if you're not, if you're watching any day after, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you're enjoying your leftovers. We're just coming up on 1 month of having my YouTube channel, and I see I've gained so many new subscribers. So if you've come on in the last 3 to 3.5 weeks, I'd like to say thank you and welcome to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing if you're enjoying what you're watching and if you'd like to see more of it. Thank you so much for joining me today and have a blessed day. Back to the video. you so much for staying to the very end. If you like what you saw today, hit that like button. Leave me a comment, and why don't you subscribe? Thank you for staying to the very end. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Please comment down below what you think of it. And why don't you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. Okay, for the month of December, I'll repeat and do reimaginings of my mom's dishes for the holidays. See you next time.